Hi there, my name is Sarah. What's your name? Hi Sarah, I am Alex. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Alex. Where are you from? I am from Germany. How about you? I am from the United States. How old are you, Alex? I am 25 years old. And you, Sarah? I am 22 years old. What do you do for a living? I am a student studying computer science. How about you? That's interesting. I am a teacher. I teach English at a language school. Oh, that's great. I have always wanted to improve my English. Well, we can practice together. What are your hobbies, Alex? I love playing soccer and reading books. How about you, Sarah? I enjoy cooking. It's fun to try out new recipes. It sounds like we have some common interest. Definitely. We should hang out more often. I would love that. Let's exchange contact information. Sure. Here is my phone number. And what's yours? Here is my phone number. Looking forward to chatting more. Me too, Alex. See you soon. See you soon, Sarah. Have a great day.